Hello from your friendly neighborhood scrap man. Starting off the night with a little bit of a pile. I forgot my gloves in the car, so let's see what we got. Books and stuff. Mirrors, wood, lots of wood. Picture frames may not be worth anything stopping for. Nope, we got a card. Copex cable. That's not worth anything. That's fun. Oh, what do we got here? Here's cord. That's a little wire. Nothing crazy. Metal mailbox. Metal mailbox. Change that up. There. Left that in the car for some reason. Oh, it came off the grill I scrapped earlier. I wasn't on the channel. I did some scrapping on the side, some solo scrapping. Fun Missouri Fishes book. I don't think I've seen anything else really to speak of there, just the mailbox. Some gloves with holes in them already. Speakers. Alright. Oh, we just start off with 0. Start off with something. Something is better than nothing. Alright. Actually, while we're out here, I gotta see. Oh, it's wood. Wood for metal. It's metal though. Metal? Hey. Reflective vest. It come in handy with night scrapping. Alright. We got some night scrapping apparel there. I'll make sure that's not torn up or crazy later on. Throw this back here. What is it? Oh, what is that one? Is that a... That's a PS4. No way. I thought it was a DVD player or something like that. It's a PS4 in the trash. Okay. I'm glad I looked at that before I cut the cord. I mean, clearly it needs some work done to it, right? I mean, but it's a PS4 in the trash. Let's confirm I didn't leave any controller or something there. I mean, if there's a PS4, is there other pieces to it? I don't see any. Okay. Heck yeah. PS4 in the trash. It's a good stop. Alright, so out here. Check it out. Okay. I don't need any books. Good start to the night. PS4. Right off the bat. That's pretty darn sweet. Alright, let's see what else we can find. Let's see if we can top that. Alright, pile number 2. That's all there. Piece of bed frame. Only a piece though. Only a piece of bed frame. That's better than nothing. I think. I don't know if you can scrap those or not. Why you couldn't. I don't want to deal with it though. Got a rug. Got metal. Nope, that's plastic. Alright, I don't think it's a Christmas tree, and that's wood. Alright. A portion of the bed frame. Not quite as cool as the PS4, but gets the job done. Alright, I see see some shiny out of this trash can, but I'm not sure if it's plastic or metal. Both. There's enough metal to make it worth grabbing, though. It's a clothing garment rack. It's falling apart on me. It was a garment rack. Not much yet, but let's go ahead and try to be somewhat smart about how we stick this stuff in the car. Use a stop method. Stop. Maybe. Yeah, it's possible to go with this. I might have to come with this. Let's. One more piece I gotta pick off the ground here. The other one's stuck. I got this one off. It's a plain welcome mat. There. Check it out. I got some lights. I can pull the ballast out of it. Set this next to it. Put it back in. It's an interesting one. Weird. I thought that was a super old one. Oh, we do have old ones and new ones in the same batch there. We got a lot of copper wire with it. That last house I was at getting those garments, the guy from next door came over, started yelling at me as I got in the car, telling me that scrapping was illegal. So let him know that is actually not true. You know, I don't think anybody who doesn't wait around, I leave, obviously. But yeah, property at the curb is actually abandoned property, and as such, it can be taken. You know, unless you're being disrespectful or you're making a mess or causing a nuisance of some sorts. I'm sure you get some other laws there, but as far as just taking the scrap itself or heck, the trash, I mean, you could take their rotten turkey carcass if you want to, but I'm not sure who would want that. But yeah, so after I let him know, hey, this is what I'm doing, I'm just out here grabbing scrap metal out of the trash, and in fact, it's not illegal. He had gotten confused. He said, well, I know mailboxes are illegal. Yeah, absolutely, mailboxes, that's a federal crime to mess with someone's mail. But grabbing the trash is totally legal. I do not like to even come close to committing an illegal act. So yeah, so that was interesting. That was my first ever encounter on the streets, which was kind of a little bit scary, but it turned out to be a really nice, productive conversation. Hey, I think while I'm on the talking here, I think I found some more fun. What do we got here? I got an office chair. What else we got? That's some workout equipment. All right, hey, heck yeah, let's get further to the side. I already got you on the hook there. Don't even have to start the video. I've gotten past a couple different Christmas trees tonight that I have not picked up, obviously, but I need to look to see if that's something that's worth picking up. I'm not sure if that's allowed. They're metal. That part's mostly wood, but this part is metal. Yeah, I need to see if it gets worth grabbing Christmas trees because there's metal inside of them. Quite a bit of metal, actually. But I don't know. Could you imagine fighting Christmas trees in and out of this car, though? That by itself may make it not worth it. All right, the chair's got a tear in it. It's a pretty sharp chair, though. But yeah, not enough metal for the take. All right, heck yeah. All right, so long story short, had an interesting encounter, turned positive, and we found more scrap metal. I'm not gonna hang up on you just yet. I wanna see what's hanging from the side of this one here. Oh, it's just a little plant hanging there. If it wasn't already, I'd kill it. I can't keep plants alive. All right, I'll have to find more scrap, or treasure, or both. All right, I have avoided the temptation of doing Christmas lights. I love Christmas lights. I've avoided the temptation of filming them all for you all night and turning this into a Christmas light special, but come on, we gotta take just a second and appreciate the beauty of these two houses side by side. I mean, they're really just so pretty. I love Christmas lights. So, yeah, let's just enjoy that for a second. All right, back to work. All right. So you got quite a bit there. Got a door that came apart. Might be aluminum. Actually, I'm pretty certain it's aluminum. Grab my handy magnet. And it is aluminum. It's the good kind of aluminum. Some dog poop on top. Always like finding aluminum that's worth your money, but it's so light. It takes a lot to really do a whole lot with it. This whole piece, but I'm not gonna get this off the side of the road. Bet that's brass. Yeah, that's brass. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take this piece of wood here. I'll take that brass doorknob off later on. That's worth playing with later. Any more? Okay. Photo book. Do that. Any more aluminum? I think there's a couple more pieces here. Okay, we're gonna put this back on here in a second. All right, aluminum. Is that brass too? Aha, it's brass. We're gonna put it right there. All right. Any more aluminum in there? I think I got it all. Awesome. Turn you off, put it back up. Alright. Look at that dehumidifier. I don't want the plastic tub. I will leave that part behind. But the rest of it is good to go. I think it's been outside for a while. Put you in the middle so I can work from both sides still. All right. Welcome aboard, buddy. Getting better at spotting the stuff. Saw a chair sticking up as I drove by. It's got some weight. I don't think I was seen that a few months ago as I drove by. Kind of just peeking out at me. I'm learning, catching the glimpses. All right. Hey, Got a broom. It's not a very big room. It's better than the room I got in the car right now. That's it for this one. More to come. Alright. I think the aluminum's there if I can reach it. Oh, that was a whole tube. It's just that one little elbow. Elbow's better than nothing, though. Better than nothing. And that's all. Small score. Hello, beautiful. It's a treadmill. Alright, I guess it's not like a treadmill. It is a treadmill. Make a little room for it. Over there, out of my way. Alright. This is a two-hand job. You guys to wait here for a second for me. Good spot for you, I think. Got that one in. Wasn't heavy, just awkward. Ooh, heck yeah. That's why I always do a quick peek on the inside because you get some other stuff. Not a lot, but a little. A little is always good because that keeps adding up. Right. Door umbrella. If we're lucky, it's aluminum. I felt mess with this tonight. Wait, there it is. So just fighting me a little bit. Piece of roof. You know what? I'll take it with me. I'll mess with that later on. What is aluminum? It is. More aluminum. Check out this thing. So we're missing a board there. That can be fixed. Missing a couple boards on that one. Pretty neat though. Wonder if my wife would kill me. I bet she would kill me. That's just pretty cool though. How hard? That can't be that hard to fix, right? I mean, no, I better leave that behind. Otherwise I'll be sleeping on it. Don't just say happy wife, happy life. That would make for a blink flashers on. That would make for a not happy wife. All right, first half of the route is about done. Coolest find so far is the PS4. Never found anything like that. I mean, assuming it works. My son's the gamer in the family, so I'll have him test it and see if it works. It's a school night, so he better be in bed. It's about midnight, so if he's not in bed, he'll be in trouble. So he can test it tomorrow. You guys usually, my regular viewers know that you should have seen more dumpster action there in the middle. I got an apartment complex, a really large apartment complex, right in the middle of my route. And I generally hit pretty good. Tonight, pretty close to nothing in there. I think I recorded one thing, maybe two, I can't remember. There was pretty close to nothing. So, but the other restaurants been, fairly decent. So, second half's usually better. So, I got a couple more streets to hit, and then tomorrow morning it's going to be, well, for me tomorrow morning, for you in like 3 seconds. We're going to find some more treasures. So, if I don't find another treasure tonight, I'll see you in the morning, or for you guys in 3 seconds. Alright. I think that's fan. The run, I thought might be plastic. Put this down. I just saw some good. Just saw something real good. Check it out. Check out my glove. Brass. We find brass. It's tucked away and hiding. I almost missed it. Might not slow down to look to see the bag there. I would not have seen the gate behind the bag. Sneaky scrap. Super sneaky. Let's get up here. Alright. That last house, I did leave a little kid's chair behind. Light turned on, I got creeped out. I think I'm still a little creeped out about my encounter last night. So if you saw the little red chair, yep, I missed it. I got weirded out and lost my confidence for a second. So, alright. Not gonna lose it next time though, we're gonna eat some more. Do I see maybe aluminum? Got metal. No matter what I do, the magnet's always on the other side. Nope. Not aluminum, definitely steel. Still metal. Yeah, just the base even. I can get that in. I'm certain of it. Make some room for it. Alright. Chair. My first chair, right? Let's go. Just stand it up and then we'll put stuff around it. Assuming I don't get a dryer or washer, that should be good. Okay. It's not metal, it's a pretty wreath. My wife might appreciate it. And I put that right here in the front. That can be a wifey decision. Whether or not I gotta keep that or not, or take it to the thrift store. Drop it off there. One of the two. Either way, it's too good for the trash. Too good for the G-Man. Alright, things just got a little more challenging in here. Huh. You ever seen a lock in a fridge before? So usually I have to take the doors off to get them in my van. So with the lock on there, that can make it more fun. You gotta wire cut it off. But I gotta get... that's gonna stick out too far, for sure. Alright, I might have to put you guys down and wrestle this thing for a second. All right, that guy has got to go. That door, maybe. We're gonna give it a shot. All right, I'll be right back. Okay guys, I have great news. The fridge fit. The bad news is the door to the van no longer closes because the fridge is too big. I don't know if you can see it from there. Yeah, so the fridge, oh, there we go. So the fridge has maxed out my picking capabilities today. It's not often I get to say, oh, I'm maxed out, can't do anymore. So that's a big win. I'm definitely gonna miss some of my other stuff that's laying out here, but that's okay. Someone else will grab it. It will get recycled. And next week's a new week. So I'm going to swing back by the house here and unload this fridge into my area just for a couple hours because I can't drive all the way to work with my door not open. I work the day today. Tomorrow morning, I will head to the scrapyard and get all this unloaded. I go to a different scrapyard that's for my fridge stuff. That's much more, much busier. There's like semi trucks rolling in, that kind of stuff like that. And so I probably won't record there. I try to unload quick, and I'm one little van in a sea of large machinery. So I probably won't record there. So with that, this will be the end of the video. My son did let me know he tested that PS4 and it works. Sitting on top of a trash can is a functioning, working PS4. He told me, I'm not very smart with this kind of stuff, but he told me it was a first generation PS4 and they have overheating issues. And so that might be part of the issue there, is the fan may not keep up with it. He said there are workarounds to that though. So yeah, so PS4 working in the trash. What the heck? Who throws that kind of stuff away? But hey, it's a win for us. I didn't even know what it was when I grabbed it first. I thought it was a VCR or DVD player or something like that, but PS4. So, all right, awesome. And it's been fun hanging out with you guys tonight. It's been fun scrapping. I always have fun doing this. It's one of the highlights of my week. You guys do what you do. I'm gonna do what I do. We're gonna have an awesome week. We're gonna enjoy life. We're gonna live it up. And I will see you guys at the next adventure. I don't know what's going to be yet. We're going to be either street scrapping or dumpster diving, one or the other. But either way, we know we're going to have fun. So thanks for joining me. Thanks for watching me. You know, I hope I've earned your thumbs up and your subscribe. Yeah, leave a comment below if there's anything you see that I've missed, or anything you would do differently, or anything that you like, or tell me your favorite color. I don't know. But all right, later, bye, button.